In today's video, I will show you a complete cloud-based ERP management system. It's basically designed for UAE, Saudi, Gulf businesses where you can manage your inventory, accounts, sales, purchase, production, your staff salary, HR, each and everything you can manage in this. And the best part is this software is AI enabled software. Like with the AI assistant, you can automatically just upload the pictures, you can upload the invoices, and automatically your accounts, your GL, your general ledgers, each and everything will be created. So I will show you a straight away a short demo. For example, you can, if you don't have any account, you can create account here, okay, in the create account. And if you already have account, you have to just sign in here. Now the best part is you can see the UI in 2016, the best UI you can see ever, where you can see each and everything like your cash and bank, your receivables, your payables. Here you can see the quick actions like add customers, your supplier, your item, your employer, purchase invoice, sale invoice. Here you can see the daily activity feed, your transactions, your activity, business health, sales intelligence, your profit margins, working capital insights, as well as inventory intelligence, cash flow management. And the best thing is you can see the decision support, like AI will support you what you have to do the next in your business. You can ask from the AI here. You can just ask any kind of questions regarding your business, so AI will guide you each and everything. And now we will start from the features one by one. You can see AI Studio. What this means, like you have to simply import the documents, like you have purchase invoice, you have import invoice, you have purchase order. You don't need to make the entries, you have to simply upload the form, upload the picture, and automatically your complete entry will be submitted. You don't need to do single entries, you can just use the AI format here, right? After that, you can see here in the settings, you can manage your company, like your company setting. You can manage your logo here, your company name, your trademark number, your address, your region, your province, your city, your number, your tax informations. Here you can see the currency setting, like you are in the UAE, you can use the AED. You are in Saudi, you can use the Riyal. Any currency you can use here, and you can make the decimals according to your country, right? Now another thing, you can see the user roles and permissions. You can manage the roles, like how many users working with your company. You can give the access each of your users, the limitations. Admin have the complete access, and you can give the users to the limited actions. And you can see here the financial years. You can set the multiple financial year. Document setting, you can manage your document setting here according to your choice, right? Now after that, we have print formats. You can manage the print formats here, what the print format you want, which type of print format you want. Branch setup, like you have multiple branches, you can manage the multiple branches. Inventory movement, you can manage the inventory movement by yourself. Backup, automatically your data will be saved, and automatically you can import and export the backup as well. Now if you come here in the maintain, first of all you can see the chart of accounts, where you can see your assets, your current asset, fixed asset, other asset, liabilities, your capitals, your equity, revenue, and you can see the expenses. You can manage the chart of account according to your requirement. You can just add, edit, delete, whatever you want, you can do it, right? After that, you can see the customers. You can create the customers here. You can manage multiple customers. Simply you have to add customer details, and you have to just simply create, so your customer will be created. If you want to import from Excel, so first you need to download the template. You can add the data in the Excel, and you can simply import Excel here, right? So automatically customer will be added. You don't need to do a single entries. And here you can manage your vendors, your suppliers, bank accounts, item products. Like we have a 5 levels of inventory, where you can manage the main category, the subcategory, and the item, right? You can manage the multiple. You can add it, delete, whatever you want to do, you can do it here. It's a completely open, and you don't have any limitation. You can add one product, you can add like 1000 products, that doesn't matter. Now here you can see the inventory locations. You can create the multiple locations here. Employees, regions, job projects, opening balances. If you are doing any kind of import, like from China or from wherever, so you can just make the import duty charges in each and everything. Here you will find it. Yeah. So if you want to create the barcode labels, so you can create the barcode labels. And now here in the purchase, you can create the purchase order, GRN. You can make the purchase invoice, purchase return, non-tax purchase, sales tax purchase, import purchase. In sales, you can create the quotation, sales order, delivery challan, sales invoice, sale return, non-tax invoice, POS invoice. Each and every option you will find here. In the production, you will see the purchase requisitions, inward gate passes, outward gate passes, bill of material, production order, stock reduce, add, stock transfer, branch transfer. In the receipt, you can see the cash receipt, bank receipt. In the payments, you can just see cash payment, bank payment, general, vouchers, salaries, staff, advance, loan, payroll, final statements. In the fixed assets, asset register, asset categories, depreciation runs, asset disposals, WhatsApp integration. Automatically invoice will submit it to your customer automatically, right? And here you can see the multiple reports like financial reports, for general reports, purchase reports, like purchase summary, vendor payments, activity, invoice wise, party wise, landed cost, each and everything, inventory, financial reports, salary reports, assets. This is a complete ERP management system especially designed for the UAE, Saudi and the Gulf businesses. You can just DM us, you can just send us a message, and you can just simply sign up the free 3 days trial period. You can just check the features. If you like it, then you can get the subscription, right? So I hope you find well for your business. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.